That is what, bro. There's so much money. Mine's only 200K.
It's only 1 million. And what is that? You literally got $1 million, like just the other day. Like, I saw that video.
Oh.
You literally trapped yourself. Like, she walked into that one. Like, I didn't do anything. All I did, I did nothing.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Ask Milk. Please like, comment and share this video. So there's a video yana lady and Usima that is trending whereby una lady is asking Usima about the meter that our ghost Luby boyfriend that gave her weeks back kesana, and Usima was like a million yi pisana. So it makes us think ukuthi, oh okay, so ushayile futhi ughost Hlubi njengoba sishadiwe emoto, why hlanthanda kudlala ngasima ngale ndlela, and then why bangasitsheli after the video ukuthi, oh guys, no, it was a prank. Hayibo thina sihlelana thinking ukuthi ughost Hlubi gave Usima imeter, but that money was given a Zimbabwe kesana. Na I knew ukuthi there is no way. There is no way this guy can give Usima this much money. Okay, we know go to guy value YouTube famous nanani, but giving Usima 1 meter, aibo, no, that was just too good to be true kesana. I don't know why Usima athanze kuvuma lo mfana adlale ngaye ngale ndlela. Why athanze akudlala ngema emotions akhe angale ndlela. Guys, I don't know, but I guess vele it is true when they say love is blind kesana. Or in love girl and in a head dululu era nje uyimpopayi our ghost Hlubi. Please subscribe, share this video, comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I am signing out. Goodbye.